Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Instagram affiliate links easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Instagram affiliate links, start by opening your Instagram app. Log into your Instagram account if you are not already logged in. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the list of options. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Account. Scroll down until you see Branded Content and tap on it. Look for the option that says Affiliate and select it. Here, you will see your current affiliate links. To remove a link, tap on the link you wish to reset. Once the link is open, look for the option to delete or disable it. Confirm the action when prompted to remove the link. Now, to create a new affiliate link, go back to the Affiliate section. Select Create New Link or the equivalent option. Fill in the required information such as product details and promotional text. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Generate Link. Your new affiliate link will now be created and ready for use. To finish, test the link to ensure it directs properly to the intended product. You have successfully reset your Instagram affiliate links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.